Good day, students. Last week we discussed on the meaning of dramatist and playwright, whereby we're going to see the three categories of playwright or what we call dramatist. And we talk about the classical dramatist, modern dramatist, and contemporary dramatist. But today, we are going to talk about the meaning of costume and makeup. Say it again. The meaning of costume and makeup with their functions, because each of these has what they stand for. When we talk of costume, it's any material that's being used during the course of play, during the course of performing the drama. That is, the physical things that we use in drama are referred to as costume. They are general that are being used in costume. You have it just to impersonate the character they are characterizing in that play. If a person is short, you have to go for something, or you wear a particular clothes, or a particular shoe, or live in a particular house, or a particular life. They have to impersonate that particular character they are characterizing. And that's why the costume is a way of personalizing, using the material to personalize the particular character they are impersonating at that moment. So costume is a vital visual component in theater design. A vital visual component, that is something you can see. That is the materials we use at the course of performing a drama, which are clothes, houses, footwear, fingernails, cap, headgear, whatever that can be used at that time is referred to as costume. Talk of vehicle, talk of chairs, talk of whatever material that put together at that particular time of the play is what referred to as costume. Then we talk of makeup. Makeup is featuring a particular character in the form of that particular character is personating. That is something that shows the appearance of the character is personating. You want to personate, you want to present a play or represent a particular character in the play to show or telling the story about his life, or you want to make it in a way to change the figure of somebody. That is, it is the duty of the makeup. The makeup reflects the role a particular person is performing. It reflects that role. It reflects that role, what it's representing. Somebody who dressed like a footballer, want to take the position of a footballer, must be able to dress as a footballer. Or somebody who want to dress as and is an old man, want to dress like a young guy or a young boy. It is the makeup, the substances being used, such as chalk, talk of cream, talk of charcoal, talk of paints, and so on and so forth like that. Talk of rings, earrings, fingernails. All these are part of what we call makeup. They are part of what we call that change the figure's appearance of a particular character in order to impersonate the character is trying to characterize him, or the role that particular person is playing in a drama. Take for example, to make things funny, you know Baba Suwe, when you watch him, Baba Suwe is a light person in complexion. But when you see him in the play, be thought is as dark as charcoal. No, but because of the role he's playing, that's how you make up to make it fitting for the character is performing, attacking. So these are this is the meaning. The two of them, the costume is a general name for either costume and makeup, but each of them perform similar and different functions. These are the functions of each of them. For costume, it defines the relationship of character within the play. That is, the relationship, what he is representing, what is his function there, what is he doing. Then it defines the characters of the actors. The character of the actor, whether he's a messenger or a bricklayer or a teacher and so on like that, because you have to dress in the form of which is impersonating or of which is characterizing at that moment. Then it shows the geographical setting of the play. Whether you are in a rainy season, or you are in a bush, or you are in a cloudy area, or so geographical setting of the play. Or you are in a moody something. So then it shows the financial and social status of the character. The social status, rich or poor, or somebody who knows, as people used to say, that somebody to retire. Did you see, are you social, and something like that. It shows the social and the financial, whether he's rich or he's poor, or he know what to do and to what time to be done. Then beautify the play and sustain the audience. Mere seeing the way the character dress, at times it interested the audience to watch the play the more. They want to watch the play the more and see what this person that dressed like this will do in the play, and it sustains their interest. Then it tells the occupation and tribe. The occupation, whether it's a teacher, it's a doctor, it's a nurse, in that play, the position is taken. And tribe, whether this setting of the play is an Igbo setting, from the Igbo setting, because the way they dress. The person that dressed in Yoruba attire, you know that this play is talking about the Yoruba set of life. Then it reveals the sex and age of the character, male or female. It talks about whether that person is a male or is a female. Then it tells the time of the play and the season and the year. Is it during the rainy season, during the wet season, dry season, and the year and season? Whole year, when you talk about the history of the past, talk about what are the things that are happening at that time, because things are changing. Because so when you are performing a play that needs to do with history, you have to tell the year it happens and the season. Then it tells about the period of history too, which is almost the same function. Then if you go to the makeup has its function. It says the age. Somebody who's representing a young man, representing an old man. You want to take the position of an elderly person in that place. It's as a baba. He has to put something that will make him look as old. Put on a makeup. Put chalks or something that will make him to look a bit old. So it has to do that. Then shows the experience of the life of the character, the experience which he has. That shows whether this one doesn't know what he's doing in that play. Something like that. Then it reveals the sex of the character too, and it exposes the geographical setting of the place. These are the functions of the makeup and the costume, the function of costume. But the two of them are very important because they revealed the image of the character and hold the attention of the audience to know more or to have interest in watching the play the more. So, thank you. So for your assignment, you list 5 differences between costume and makeup for your assignment.